Foundation stone of the dairy campus was today laid by the Chief Minister at Mukhla in Jaintia Hills.
That the government of Meghalaya, this MDA government, has seen that there are huge gaps in different regions, and a lot of investment has to go into ensuring that this area also develops. And in the last 4 years, we have sanctioned over 200 crores of projects in this area, especially in Jawai constituency, and many more projects will be sanctioned in this particular year itself. And I must give the credit to none other than the local MLA, who's been somebody who has been very caring for his constituency and has taken multiple initiatives to ensure that different development programs and schemes come to the constituency of Jawai. I have not included this 9 crores project yet in this, but without including that 9 crores also, we, as I said, have crossed over 200 crores of projects in Jawai constituency. And as I said, many more projects are being planned in the future also. At the same time, we also realize that the overall the overall animal husbandry sector has got a huge potential in the state of Meghalaya, and keeping the basic consumption that we require in mind. And if you were to calculate the consumption, for example, there is a 25,000 metric ton beef consumption, there is 18,000 metric ton of pork consumption, there is 10,000 metric tons of poultry consumption, there is 33,000 metric tons of fish consumption. If you were to actually create a market value out of this, to push those projects forward, different kind of social sectors like education and health, we have been working very hard to ensure that the facilities improve and more facilities are created. And at the same time, we have also worked towards ensuring that livelihood is created through new means and new avenues, especially for our younger generation.